Hey guys, this is a game that I made with AI in 10 minutes and I'm going to show you how. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this. And in the description today, there's going to be a gift, detailed tutorial on how to make this exact game or any other app that is on your mind, right? Let me show you how this game works. This is a game that I can actually play and enjoy. Let's see. The more I swerve these cars, the more points that I make. Yeah. Isn't this fun? Well, I'm going to show you how to do it in 10 minutes. Let's get right into building our game in just 10 minutes. Let's set our timer. Let me put a timer right here, and your timer is going to be right here. In 3, 2, 1, let's begin. Okay, so first of all, let's decide on the game we want to build. I feel like building a simple race game. Let me just get a picture for reference. Right here. Right, let me just put this on my desktop. Okay, I can do that. Perfect. So let's open Xcode. This is a software that we use to create games basically. People open Xcode and they type in their codes and they build a game for iOS. We create our folder for Xcode to build our very first game, right? That is loading up. Second platform we're going to need is Cursor AI. This is where all the magic happens. This is the platform that we need to create our game with AI. So remember, we just created a folder with Xcode, which was called Road Speed, right? As we have our Road Speed there, we open Cursor, which will download and run. When we open the project, go to our desktop where we can find our Road Speed folder and open it. Remember, anything in the Road Speed folder is the same thing we're going to see in Xcode and the same thing we're going to see in Cursor. Immediately we open the Cursor folder, and immediately we open the Road Speed folder in Cursor. Any changes that the AI makes to that folder is going to be affected across board. Let's keep that in mind. We have 9 minutes. Let's keep the ball rolling. Let me just... Hey, delete any code that is not necessary, number one. And I've sent you an image reference for a game I want you to create. I want you to design the entire environment. You can mimic that, and that I also want the cars to look something like that, so you can design the cars too. I want to create a simple racing game. That should be our first prompt. I know I said 10 minutes, but I want to try and do this under 8. Let's start thinking. Let's go. Okay, so we create that. AI does that quickly. Accept. Yeah, it's doing its thing. Accept file. Let's go to our Xcode and see what happens. What's going on here? Okay, perfect. Now let's see this. I like how the environment is looking, but let's design our car to look more like a car. Now I just want our car to be on the road moving forward. I want the car's ability to move left or to move to the right. Halfway on the timer. Woo! Back into our cursor. Let's see. It's just beautiful looking at AI do it. What AI does. Okay, let's go back to Xcode, and I hope we get an error because I want to show you how to handle errors when they happen. Okay. Our car is not on the road, number one. Secondly, I want the car to be on the road. I want when we want to control the car, we swipe either left or right to control the car to the left or to the right, right? And I also want other cars to be heading towards our car, and that is the challenge. Our car swerves all these cars to endpoints. So we swerve to the left to dodge cars that is coming on that way. We swipe to the right to dodge cars that are coming on that way, right? You can also do a bit of research to see how the logic for this game works online and apply it to my game. 6 minutes in. Guys, is the time going to beat us? Let's see how that goes. I also want to add a bit of information that we can get online to train the AI. So when you go online, you can type for Apple design best practices. You can copy this and give it to the AI so that the AI will know how Apple usually like their design best practices done. Right, let's go right into it. Accept files. Let's see. 7 minutes in, guys. Let's see. Okay. This is right here. Okay, cool. Let's make sure that the cars look more realistic. Number one, I want to see a loading screen where we see red, gold, green, like a normal traffic light, and a countdown where, the one means go, representing green on the traffic light countdown. I also want to see more realistic looking cars. The movements of the car should be realistic. When I try and swipe left on the screen, the car moves too fast. When I try and swipe right on the screen, the car moves too fast. So let's fix that movement issue. And I also want to be picking power apps on the road where when I pick something, my car does not so the game over logic should be such that when my car impacts another car, that's game over or I lose the game. So I want it to be such a way that my car can pick certain power apps on the street, on the road, and then not be able to, and then hit other cars and not die, right? That should be represented by some change in color. I also want a representation that my car is moving fast. So that kind of speed there. I also want a tutorial screen to teach people how to play the game. I want two more mode of controls. That is the swipe left, swipe right, and let's use the phone's gyroscope too. This is a highly advanced project, and that could have done this in the beginning, but I didn't want to finish this under 2 minutes. We have 30 more seconds, guys. Let's go. And let's see how that happens, guys. Let's see. Okay, time is up. No more edits. Right, let's see how this performs. After we see how this performs, and then we can see how well we did. Hopefully the AI does a good job this time around. But lessons learned. Number one, when you know how to give prompts, there are going to be certain errors. You're not going to get what you want from the initial beginning, but keep telling the AI what you want, and you're going to get it. Okay, so our results are back from AI, and we are done waiting. Let's see how the game looks. So our tutorial screen, as suggested, start playing, start game, 3, 2, okay, that is there. Swipe to move, okay, wait, oh, okay. Where is the power app? Oh, exactly what I asked for. Exactly what I asked for. So this is the power of AI, and this has been your host, Nana Bequin Kranting, and believe in yourself. Have a wonderful week, and I shall see you next week with how to hack the Forex market with AI. See you guys.